We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. I started hanging wallpaper in the laundry room, but quickly realized I needed Lance's help to move the machines. With Lance's help, we now have the wallpaper finished, so it doesn't stop right above the countertop.
Yep.
It looks really good too.
Yeah, it does.
I like it.
Yep.
Looks very nice. Nice and clean and fresh. And see, when you look behind the machines, that's what you see. It doesn't go all the way to the floor, but it didn't need to. So it goes almost all the way to the floor though. Now we're gonna work on getting that pole that's up there, just sitting on top of the cabinet. Oops. We're gonna work on getting it attached here and here so that there's a good amount of space between the countertop and the pole, so you can actually hang a shirt there without it dragging.
So where we're gonna?
Well, I'm gonna have to go grab one of your shirts.
Right here. Out as far, pretty much as it'll go.
I'm gonna have to go grab one of your shirts. For some reason, the audio portion of this video was horrible, so I'm gonna do a little voice over here so that you can understand what we're doing. I'm trying to figure out where, height-wise, the bar needs to be so that the shirts don't drag on the counter and I can still reach the hanger. The other thing is that we're gonna discuss here in a second is how close to the wall it needs to be. We've determined that the pipe rod needs to be about as high as the bottom of the window trim. And then he's just now eyeballing it and figuring out that it needs to go on the very front edge of that cabinet.
It's like 2 pieces of wood on there or
Yeah.
something?
Have to go get the big drill and pre-drill it. Ugh. Oh, bother. You can't just do something with a little tiny,
No.
right, quick in-house Ryobi. Gotta go to the garage, get the real tools.
Yep.
Yeah, we have the girls on the back deck. There's the pretty girls. There's the pretty girls with their stinky hoof. Uh-oh, she just stole your hoof. They only get them outside because they're really stinky. Ah, she stole it. You better go get it. She just stole your hoof. Go get your hoof. Go get your hoof. She took it. Now Seffi's got both of them. Now Saphira's got both of them. And there's the boys in the rooster box. The micro coop rooster box. They're liking it actually. Frank didn't stay, but the other 2 stayed and they actually enjoy it, so that's good. There'll be a discussion about the custody of the hoof now. There's always a discussion about the custody of a bone or a toy. And who owns what. Get it, Artemis. Get it. Go get it. Silly dog. You're a silly dog.
I came walking in, I'm like, these are the tales of Gregory, the necklace cat. It's not because he has a necklace, it's because he has no neck. It's just his shoulders and there's his head.
Yeah, his head's like a melon.
Yeah.
There is the necklace cat. Okay, so 58
and 3/4.
and 3/4. How are you gonna cut this?
Laser vision.
Mm. Do you have anything to mark it with?
Yeah. Laser.
Yeah.
You know what we're gonna cut this bad boy with?
What?
I don't even know what it's called, but we're gonna cut it with it.
The bandsaw?
Yeah, but what if you want to go solo? You don't need the rest of the band.
That's what the
Yes.
saw's for. You cut it off. You cut off the rest of the band.
You cut off the rest of the band with the saw. Yep, that's right.
Butter.
Like butter.
There you go, right
Right there.
right there. Okay, so now the last thing is hanging the BB gun. And it is actually a BB gun. Red Rider. Look at that. That's pretty cool looking.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we still have to bring the rug back in. We took it out in order to move the machines.
Took it out.
But we were able to finish the wallpaper. Let me just take the camera off the tripod. We finished the wallpaper. We hung the bar. We raised the bar.
Yep.
Literally, we raised the bar. And we added this shelf, which I'm sure everybody's wondering what the heck that's for. I have a whole bunch of these, which I like to use for hang drying things that are too small and shouldn't go in the dryer. Small things that shouldn't go in the dryer.
Right.
So that's what that's going to be used for, to hang dry items out and away from the wall. Huh?
This shouldn't go in the dryer.
This shouldn't go in the dryer. Yep. And then eventually this rack will be hats only. And we have like a big thing to build over here. But we're not there yet. But this is a step in the right direction.
Right.
This is a step in the direction of
Rightness.
kind of making this L-shaped room, because there's the back door out to the chicken coop and the garden, and it comes straight in and goes into the house. You can see past the tripod. But there's this L that is the laundry room, this leg off to this side. And so ultimately what we're going to end up with is this is the laundry room and this is the mud room. Right now it's kind of both, but we're working on getting it so that
It's the muddy laundry room.
it's kind of separated rather. It's So it's just nice to have a nice clean place to do your laundry.
Uh-huh.
And then since we landed on having a shelf for the hang drying, I thought it would be cute just to throw some seasonal decorations up there. So then that'll have like little Christmas trees in December and all that kind of stuff. So
I
that's
get
kind of cool.
7 or 8 little Christmas trees on that shelf.
7 or 8 little trees all alone on that shelf. Oh.
That's right.
Yeah.
Houses.
So I'm really, really, really excited at how this turned out. I think it looks amazing. And I like the fact that I can use the pole now and I can bring the empty hangers in the laundry room. I never had a place to put them before. So, I like it. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Bye.